Hey ladies, I have another client for you. Hair growth process. Watch this. This is a before and after picture of a client that started coming to me in 2017. She went somewhere and got a perm and it badly broke off her hair. In this next picture, you see where the breakage actually is. It's on that whole right side and then toward the lower back in the middle. Most people would say just cut off all of your hair, but I said no. We'll go through the process of deep conditioning, treating, trimming the hair, and then finding protective styles that can work so she can cover the hair while she's going through her process. These are some of the protective styles that she liked to wear, from weave, braids, locks, crochet, twists. And actually, this is her hair 1 year later. Amazing transformation. A year after that is April 2019. And 1 year after that, March 2020. This is our client today, May 2021, and her hair completely grew back amazingly. Oh my goodness. If you're faithful to the process, take care of your hair, deep condition, trim, just give your hair some TLC. You can see results, but you have to be faithful. So give me a call and we can start this process. I'll talk to you later.